Hello, Vanya. So today we are reading, noticing, understanding the difference between coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. In the last class, I told you only about subordinating conjunctions. So today we will do a comparative study. Now, coordinating conjunctions join two independent things. Coordinating conjunctions join anything which are not dependent on one another, each other or one another. But subordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions that join the two parts of the sentences where one part of the sentence, its meaning is dependent upon the other part of the sentence. How will you understand? Now look, the first example is you and I are students. You, I, both are independent. We have joined it and we have written our students. But notice the difference. Subordinating conjunctions, those conjunctions which give us the answer of what, when, where. I do not know where she lives. In this sentence, I do not know is the main part of the sentence. It has complete meaning. I do not know. Beta, what you do not know? Then we will give the answer giving using subordinating conjunction. Where she lives. So what I have told you, subordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which give us the answer of the questions what, when, why, how, such. Or you can say that when we use subordinating conjunctions, then one part of the sentence is dependent upon the other part of the sentence, another part of the sentence for its complete meaning. I do not know. What you do not know? Where she lives. So this is the main part of the sentence, and here from where we have used subordinating conjunctions, the meaning is dependent upon this, where she lives. Now read the second example. He is poor but honest. Poor is different, honest is different. Two different things, independent. We have joined it with but. He is poor, he is honest, and we have joined it by but. But look here, my father took medicine. Okay, why he took medicine? So that he might recover. So answer is given in this part of the sentence. For giving the answer, we have used the subordinating conjunction so that. So that he might recover. This part of the sentence is dependent on this part of the sentence for its complete meaning. Look at the third example. Ram as well as Raj was present there. Ram is different, Raj is different. We have joined them with as well as. Here, when I returned, my mother was preparing coffee. My mother was preparing coffee is the part of the sentence which has complete meaning. But if I ask you when your mother was preparing coffee, then you are going to answer this question by using subordinating conjunction when I returned. So when is subordinating conjunction. The meaning is dependent on this part of the sentence. Let's see the difference between fourth sentence. He was not only foolish but also obstinate. Who is an obstinate one? Obstinate is the one who is stubborn, who is bent upon doing something which he wants to do. So he was not only foolish but also obstinate. Not only but also again coordinating conjunctions, and foolish and obstinate, two different things. We have joined them by using these conjunctions. Nothing is dependent upon the other one for the complete meaning. Here, wait here until I return. Wait here, complete sentence. But till when I have to wait? Until I return. So we have used subordinating conjunction to give the complete meaning. The last one is either he is mad or feigns madness. So these conjunctions which are joining the independent things. He is mad, he feigns madness. Two different things. We have joined them by using either or. And here, I will leave as soon as you come. I will leave, complete meaning. But if I ask when will you leave? The answer will be as soon as you come. So we have replied to this answer by using subordinating conjunction. So subordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which give the answer to the questions what, when, where. And subordinating conjunctions are used then they are dependent on the other part of the sentence for its complete meaning. These are the things to identify subordinating conjunctions, the rules that are to identify if this is subordinating conjunction or not. In the class, we will discuss the exercises and then you are going to reply me which conjunction is this, subordinating or coordinating. Bye.